Hello YouTube fam and welcome to another episode of Fishing That. Yes, it is your boy Rosie, your soon to be #1 YouTube host. Alright fam, this is going to be a real quick down and dirty video. By now you've already seen, I'm sure you've already seen the garfish that brother-in-law caught and we helped him wrangle it in. I've always been told that garfish had to be cooked immediately. They make garfish balls the whole 9 yards. Well, if you've seen a portion of the video, I didn't want to put everything on YouTube because it was kind of gory. But where I split that garfish down the side, spread him open, pulled off the 2 fillets. Since that was my first time, I didn't do a perfect job. So I went back and took off a little bit of the chunks that we had left. And this was about 30 hours ago. That's been washed. That's just some residue and skin. But what we want to do is, and this has been soaking in lemon juice for about 30 hours now. I want to show y'all where I thought that meat would get all mushy and fall apart, and it didn't. It's still holding solid after 30 hours. I was always told that it would get mushy, and it hasn't. I've had this soaking in salt, pepper, and that's what you're seeing there, that's pepper. I've had it soaking in lemon juice, salt, and pepper. So what we're going to do now is go ahead, put this in some seafood batter. And we're going to just drop it in some hot grease, fam, and see what we get. It's my first time ever cooking my own garfish. I've had it in a restaurant before. I wonder should I wash that? Trying to see if that's too salty or not. And these are just some nuggets that we pulled off the garfish from a bad filet job. And we're gonna leave that about a minute and a half, 2 minutes on each side. We're gonna flip them and then pull them. All right. Put our lid back on our fish fry mix. We'll take this and put it in the sink. Get it all washed up. By the time I come back, that should be ready to flip. And after that, we'll give it a taste test. Well, once we pull it out of the grease, of course. All right, fam, it's been about a minute and a half, 2 minutes. We're gonna flip this garfish. Oh, looking real good. I'm telling y'all, that is some extra. In the white meat, it looks amazing when you're filleting that garfish. Man, by now, if y'all watch that video, y'all know that was a chore trying to clean that garfish. That is literally armor. The best way I can describe what that would feel like if I took my car tire and tried to fillet it. That is what I think I would have to go through in order to get to the inside of my car tire. That's how thick and tough that armor is on a freaking garfish, fam. Gonna give it about a minute on this side. We're probably down to about 30, 45 seconds. We're gonna go ahead and pull it. We'll give it a minute to cool off. I don't like piping hot food. And then we'll taste test it. As a matter of fact, we're gonna go ahead and cut the fire off. Let it do its last 30 seconds. We're not gonna lose that much temperature. And we'll let that go ahead and start to cool off, man. That's the way I cook my eggs. Actually, when I am scrambling eggs or frying eggs, I let my pan get up to temperature. As soon as I put the eggs in, I cut it off. I let the pan and the stove do the work. I do that for two reasons. In my opinion, it makes the eggs fluffier, they cook a little slower, and my stove cools off, and I can get cleaned up and out of the kitchen in a timely manner. So as soon as those eggs hit the frying pan, I cut it off. Just a tidbit of information. My first ever garfish that I cooked myself, clean and cooked myself. Bam. Talk about golden brown. Little piece there trying to break off. That's gonna be my piece. Golden brown, fam. Check it out. Ooh, that looks good. I haven't dropped the video yet with me cleaning the garfish. I assure you, I am going to get torn up. Or by now, the time y'all are seeing this one, I have gotten torn up in the comments because I had no idea what I was doing. Started out with a chainsaw, then I went to a reciprocating saw. The reciprocating saw wasn't working on the table, the fish was sliding. I didn't have any special apparatuses. So I wind up screwing the fish to my fence post to secure it in a vertical manner, and then sawing it down with the reciprocated saw. Probably couldn't show all that on YouTube because we don't want to get copyright infringed. All right, fam, we're gonna get us a few minutes to cool off. We're gonna come back and taste test it. Y'all stay tuned. All right, fam, been about a minute and a half, 2 minutes. Couldn't wait any longer. Check that out, fam. Ooh-wee. Here goes. Cheers. Ain't nothing wrong with that, fam. I do think I may have left it in the lemon juice a little too long. I'm getting a little more lemon zest than I like. I really want to taste the garfish. So the next time I cook it, I just I like using that lemon juice to take that super fresh fish taste out of the fish. But I basically just run it through the lemon juice for about 5 minutes or so. And then we'll paper towel it off, pat it off, and then we'll cook it. But bam, ain't nothing wrong with this garfish. Nothing at all. Mmm. All right, babe, I'm recording. You pause the TV for a minute. It's not on you, but I did want to get your opinion. I think I let it sit in the lemon juice a little too long.
Did you taste the lemon?
Yeah.
It might help with that garlic.
But ain't nothing wrong with it.
No, I don't know. Let me see. I think it's pretty good.
Ain't nothing wrong with it at all.
It's pretty good.
Yep. I would do that again.
I like the lemon.
Yep. All right, let's see, can I turn y'all around real quick and not get Lady Red in the picture. There we go.
Lady Red one shoulder.
Huh?
Lady Red
Well, yeah, Lady one shoulder. Yep.
one wing.
One wing.
Hey, nothing, girl.
She ain't Kentucky Fried Chicken, she one wing.
Hey, nothing, girl.
All right, fam. I think I'm gonna put me a little mustard on this, and we're gonna sit back and have ourselves a little supper. It's about what? 3:30, 3:45. A little too early because I like to have a meal about 10 minutes before I go to bed, keep my figure going. But anyway, so fam, we're gonna do this, have a little ice cream for dessert, and we're gonna bring this one in for a landing. So fam, like I said, this is gonna be a short down and dirty video. I simply want to try the garfish. I'm sure y'all seen the cleaning video by now. Probably got a good laugh out of that one. And Oh, I'm sure y'all already seen the catch video. So fam, if y'all enjoyed this quick down and dirty video, give your boy a thumbs up. And if you love what we're doing here at Fishing That, consider becoming a subscriber. And if you do subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll be notified every time we drop one of these awesome videos. It's your boy Rosie. Peace. Whoa. That ain't bad.